So again, hi, I'm Keegan here. I am not the only coaches today. Yeah, I'm joined by the other two coaches, by Vincio, who is also a EU-Usahawan certified trainer and HRDF trainer, and with us also we have Vivian, who is a EU-Usahawan certified master trainer, HRDF certified trainer, as well as Facebook certified trainer. Okay, so like I mentioned in module 1, module 2, there's not many Facebook certified trainer in the whole world. There's only 180, but counting, Facebook certified trainer, and in Malaysia only, I think still 18. Not easy to pass the certification. Okay, so we have a combined experience of more than 30 years in terms of the digital marketing and social media marketing as well, of course, website. So without further ado, let's go next. Okay, so today it will be approximately 2 hours. We go through the overview and we talk about upload of new information in terms of maintaining a good website. We give you also share with you some tips and tricks for a fresh website, and we are talking also touching on website security. So that would be the full agenda today. So number 2 is about security. Yeah, we'll go more detail about security. Both sides, the user as well as the hosting and all the parties that need to make sure that the security and some of the good practice to make sure that to minimize, we cannot eliminate, all right, from this malware and all these what we call the hackers, but we can minimize it. Okay, we'll talk more details about security as well as searchability or the SEO, all right, optimization. What you need to do in terms of maintaining this our website so that we can have a high searchability on search engine. Okay, so this is the 3S that we're going to go through in a nutshell today. Better contents give you more traffic, all right, like I mentioned about searchability from search engine. Updated information also helps your domain authority. Like for example, you talk about feel like photography. So when you have more content, you like become an authority, yeah, on the certain topics, and your content are updated step. So you need to log into the WordPress site. Of course, I will show you step by step. This is just overview, and then you select the preferred WordPress theme. Okay, that we talk about WordPress on module 2, and what is the preferred WordPress and why. Install your theme, and then create a post. Okay,
we need a fresh website, so we have to ask ourselves, okay, what is the reason why we are having a website? Okay, so what we are having a website is because we want to divert the traffic into your site, correct or not? So to do that, of course, you need to make sure your website are ranked. Okay, like just how Keegan mentioned about the SEO. Okay, so for those already follow up from the module 1, module 2, so we are also talking about the SEO ranking, how to rank your page, things like that. The WordPress have been updating from time to time, that their WordPress versions. Okay, so that's why for the user, okay, for user like you and me, also the website owner, so that's why we need to always update our WordPress software, and also updating the plugin, make sure the accreditation of the management and also the security, like just how we mentioned the tips, all the tips and the tricks that we are mentioning.
We also need to secure the unit in whatever way possible for us, so that we do not allow hackers to come in. Okay, so now if you leave a window open and the thief gets in, it's really on you. Okay, so it's not the building securities, in a way, not their fault. So we have to make our own measures as well to ensure that our sites are well protected. Malware scan and website fix. Okay, whether there is a malicious script detection and blocking. So some web hosts does this, they will scan your site. If there are certain scripts, they will block it immediately before it actually goes into your website. They will also do website security scan and security patch. Once you key in the code, click on validate, and you will be then allowed to log in into your WordPress backend. So remember, right, we said, how do we secure our shop? First thing, you can mask your URL. I did not mask it. Okay. So the other thing is enable 2FA. Okay. Your username, make it hard to guess, as well as your password, make it hard to guess. So I just want to show you, right. Let me just go back to my control panel, right?
Vince finger already itchy. Okay, so who is the lucky winner? Let's see and see whether you are in the room. Lucas, Lok, are you here? If you are here, please identify. Whoa, okay, you use your glamour name, Lucas, but your name is Lok. What's your name? Lok Wei Xiang. All right, Lok Wei Xiang. Congratulations. So we have all 5 lucky winner for the giveaway. Congratulations all, right?
Exabytes. Grow your business online.